नामलिंगानुशासनं नाम अमरकोशः यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धोरगाधस्य नघा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीरा सश्रिये चामृताय च। अद्य किञ्चित् नाट्यवर्गस्य पुनरावर्तनं कृत्वा अग्रे गच्छामः। किञ्चित् चाण्टिङ्ग् कुर्मः। मार्क् टेस्ट् कृते ये सिद्धाः सन्ति ते कृपया हस्तं प्रसारयन्तु। तदपि किञ्चित् कुर्मः। So we'll go for Natyavarga. Natyavarga, I will call out people who can recite. Soumya Harish Kumar, can you recite Natyavarga for some, say 10 lines you can recite?
Yes, sir.
कृपया आरम्भं करोतु। निशादर्शभगान्धार on your own.
Oh, okay. One second.
You want me to?
Yes, sir.
I can increase the screen size if you want.
निशादर्शभगान्धार षड्ज मध्यमधैवताः पञ्चमश्चेत्यमी सप्ततन्त्री कण्ठोत्थिताः स्वराः षड्जं मयूरो वदति गावस्वृषभभाषिणः अजाविकन्तु गान्धार क्रौञ्चः क्वणति मध्यमम् पुष्पसाधार
अजाविकन्तु गान्धारम्
अजाविकन्तु गान्धारं क्रौञ्चः क्वणति मध्यमम् पुष्पसाधारणे काले पिकः कूजति पञ्चमम् दैवतन्हेशते वाजि निषादन् बृहते गजः मयूरादय
निषादं बृंहते गजः
ब्रह्मते. Okay, sir. In my book I have written it wrong. That is my.
Okay.
दैवतं हेशते वाजि निषादं ब्रह्मते गजः मयूराद.
Vaji also is dirgha. Daivatam heshate vaji dirgha है.
Vaji. दैवतं हेशते वाजी निषादं ब्रह्मते गजः मयूरादय एते हि मत्ता गायन्ति पञ्चमम् काकलीतुकले सूक्ष्मे ध्वनौ तु मधुरा स्फुटे कलो मन्द्रस्तु गम्भीरे तारोत्युच्चैस्त्रयस्त्रिषु नृणामुरसि मध्यस्थो द्वाविंशतिविधो ध्वनिः समन्द्रः कण्ठमध्यस्थस्तारः शिरसि गीयते समन्वितलयस्त्वेकतालो वीणा तु वल्लकी विपञ्ची सा तु तन्त्रीभिः सप्तभिः परिवादिनी ततं वीणादिकं वाद्यमानद्धं मुरजादिकं वंशादिकं तु सुशिरं कंस्यातालादिकं घनम्
कांस्यतालादिकं घनम्
कांस्यतालादिकं घनं चतुर्विधमिद.
No, very good. Continue.
चतुर्विधमिदं वाद्यं वादित्रातोद्यनामकं मृदङ्गामुरजाभेदास्त्वङ्क्यालिङ्ग्योर्ध्वकास्त्रयः मृदङ्गामुरजाभेदास्त्वङ्क्यालिङ्ग्योर्ध्वकास्त्रयः स्याद्यशः पटहो ढक्का भेरी स्त्रीदुन्दुभिः पुमान् आनकः पटहो स्त्री स्यात् कोनो वीणादिवादनम् वीणादण्डः प्रवालः स्यात् ककुभस्तुः प्रसेवकः कोलम्बकस्तु कायोऽस्य उपनाहो निबन्धनम् वाद्यप्रभेदाडमरुमड्डुडिण्डिमझर्झराः मर्दलः पणवोऽन्ये च नर्तकीलासिके समे विलम्बितं धृतं मध्यं त्वत्तत्त्वमोघोघ धनं क्रमात् कालक्रियामानल्लयः साम्यमथा स्त्रियां ताण्डवन्नटनं नाट्यं लास्यं नृत्यं च नर्तने तौर्यत्रिकं नृत्यगीतमावध्यं नाट्यमिदं त्रयम्
No. Tauryatrikam nrityagita vadyam. Tauryatrikam nrityagita vadyam.
तौर्यत्रिकं नृत्यगीतवाद्यं नाट्यमिदं त्रयम्
धन्यवादाः अति उत्तमरीत्या उक्तवती your voice your pitch everything was very good धन्यवादाः little bit sharpening here and there you will be one of the best reciters धन्यवादाः प्रगुण महोदय
राम सर
तौर्यत्रिकं
नृत्यगीतं वाद्यं नाट्यमिदं त्रयं हकुंसश्च भ्रुकुंसश्च भ्रूकुंसश्चेति नर्तकः स्त्रीवेषधारी पुरुषो नाट्योक्तौ गुणचान् sir I can't see the script actually
what is happening नाट्योक्तौ
गणिकाञ्जुक भगिनी पतिरावुक्ता भावो विद्वानथावुकः जनको युवराजस्तु कुमारो भर्तृदारकः राजा भट्टारको देवस्सुता तत्सुता भर्तृदारिका देवी धन्यवादाः
वेणी माधवी वेणी भगिनी I think she is unable to mute her this one okay Rama Ramachandran, can you do you have a webcam? Rama Ramachandran, can you unmute yourself? Rama Ramachandran.
Mohodaya, I have my webcam.
1 minute. I'll just make you a panelist. Just you can, we can see you also. I forgot that I have to see. My aim is at least before the test, everybody should know each other. and you should have Rama Bhagini. Can you now see if you can switch on your webcam? Can you unmute yourself and switch on your webcam? I have sent a webcam request.
Yeah, it is on, sir.
It is on, but it is not showing for us.
Oh, okay. Now, sir.
Okay. Namaste.
Namaste.
Idanim.
Ram, Ram, Ram.
Namaste. Very happy to see you. Though you have
Me
been
too, sir.
actively,
Yeah.
happy to see you. Can you recite from Abramanyam Avadhyokto?
Astu Mahodaya. अब्रह्मण्यमवध्योक्तौ राजस्यालस्तु राष्ट्रियः अम्बा माताथ बाला स्यात् वासुरार्यस्तु मारिषः अत्तिका भगिनी ज्येष्ठा निष्ठा निर्वहणे समे हण्डे हञ्चे हलाह्वाने नीचां चेटीं सखीं प्रति अङ्गहारोऽङ्गविक्षेपः व्यञ्जकाभिनयौ समौ निर्वृत्ते त्वङ्गसत्त्वाभ्यां द्वेत्रिष्वाङ्गिक सात्विके शृङ्गार वीरकरुणा अद्भुत हास्य भयानकाः भीभत्सरौद्रौ चरसाः शृङ्गार सुचिरुज्ज्वलः उत्साहवर्धनो वीरः कारुण्यं करुणाधृघृणा कृपा दयानुकम्पा स्यात् अनुक्रोशाप्यथो हसः हासो हास्यं च बीभत्सं विकृतं त्रिष्विधं द्वयं विस्मयोद्भुतमाश्चर्यं चित्रमप्यथ भैरवं दारुणं भीषणं भीष्मं घोरं भीमं भयानकं भयङ्करं प्रतिभयं रौद्रं तुग्रममीत्रिषु चतुर्दश दरस्त्रासोः भीतिभिः साध्वसंभयम्.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. So
Dhanyavadah,
can you tell about yourself, how you started studying Sanskrit? What did you do?
My Sanskrit journey is only for the last 3 years. I casually joined an online course some 3 years back. One Mr. Ashok Mahodaya took the classes online. So I started taking the Samskrita Bharati's exams one after the other. And I underwent all the courses of Vyoma labs. You all are doing an excellent, wonderful job, Mahodaya. We are so grateful to you, and you are dedicating all your time for this. We learners are really benefited from all of you. Especially, I took the courses of
Subhashita Nidhi, Shobha Vaski.
Subhashita Nidhi also I took now for the Sanskrit exams.
Kovida
and Kovida I am yet to write, and before that Shiksha course of
Soumya Krishna.
Soumya's how can I forget her name? See, really I have been writing all this in my mails, but today only I got the opportunity to tell you in person. I'm so grateful to all of you. And for this Ashtadhyayi and Amarakosha, I'm unable to spend much time because of so many other commitments. I take classes for the children. I have been teaching Bhagavad Gita to them for a long time, for the past 10
Okay.
years. Now, those students, I urge them to take the Sanskrit classes also, and whatever I know, I'm teaching them. So with
Awesome.
all that, I don't get much time to memorize, but I'm trying to practice Parayana. That I have already applied for that, and I will definitely do Parayana for the that test, whatever
Done.
you are conducting.
No problem. Your blessings are
Dhanyawad.
important. Your blessings are important. We are all younger generation people. We need your blessings. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you for your participation and your blessings.
See, all the Vyoma Labs charts only, it is hung on my wall throughout.
Okay,
All
okay.
from Vyoma Labs only. I got all the charts and I teach
Printed.
you.
Okay.
Yes.
Dhanyavada.
Thank you so much. Yeah, Dhanyawad.
Dhanyavada. So that was Rama Ramachandran. It was a long due that we had to meet her in person. So next, Dhanyavada. I will just unmute her for some time. Andrew Hillam. Andrew Hillam is there, but I think he cannot. He's joined through mobile, I think, so he will not be able to. So I will unmute Bharat Rao. Bharat Rao Mahodaya, is there any chance you can join? You can show your webcam? No, I think you are joined through mobile, I think.
No, sir. Actually, I joined from laptop, which has an inbuilt camera. But the problem is I'm running on Linux platform, both on the two browsers that I use, Chrome and Firefox. I think this webinar client doesn't allow the camera to be enabled actually.
Okay. Let me see if I can make you default something I can do. I will try next time. I will try.
Okay, sir.
I will try that. I want to introduce. There are other people here. Indira Krishnamurthy. I just want to know. Indira Krishnamurthy is attending the classes from a long time, and she is not missing one class also. I just want to meet her. Indira Krishnamurthy. By any chance, can I make you a panelist? And is there a chance that you can share your Indira Krishnamurthy? Can you unmute yourself, Indira Krishnamurthy, by any chance? Indira Krishnamurthy, can you unmute yourself? Okay. Then we have Haresh Bakshi. Any chance you can unmute yourself, Haresh Mahodaya? Haresh Bakshi. Okay, I'm not unmuting. Then we have M. Gayatri. M. Gayatri. Gayatri Bhagini. Can I make you a panelist? Is it possible to share the webcam?
Yeah, Mahodaya. I'm from
US.
yeah.
So is it okay for you now to share the webcam?
Not coming, Mahodaya.
Okay, 1 minute. Just see if you can make it. Can you unmute yourself now? Can you try the webcam now? Is it coming?
Yeah, it's buffering.
Okay. It's taking time. It's okay. Just see if it comes. Can you read now? Meanwhile, can you read? Anadaraf paribhavaha.
My son, he's a memorizer, Mahodaya. His name
Memorize.
is. Yeah.
But
Oh,
I don't know, not your that
He's
much.
still learning.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, he know last Varga, Swarga Varga and everything.
So what is his name?
Akhilesh Mahodaya, Akhilesh.
Akhilesh.
Yeah.
Okay. He has registered for Swarga Varga test.
Yes, Mahodaya.
Okay, Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavad.
So you stay in Austin?
Austin, Mahodaya.
Okay. So you Akhilesh, what is the age of Akhilesh?
6 years, Mahodaya.
6 years. Oh,
Yeah.
great. We are very happy to have him in the class.
Thank
you. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavada. So when I will keep you on this one. If your camera comes, we'll see Akhilesh, and Akhilesh can meet everybody. Everybody can meet Akhilesh in person.
Sure.
Okay. Now we will go for Jaya Devarakonda. Jaya Devarakonda. Jaya Devarakonda.
Namaste, sir.
Can I make you a panelist? Can you by any chance share your webcam?
Sir, I can't. It is on mobile, sir.
Mobile, okay, no problem. But you are attending the class. I'm seeing from some time. What are you doing and what is?
I started the Sanskrit journey from the past 3 years, sir.
So where do you stay now?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay. So under whom you are studying Sanskrit? Is it Vyoma or somebody else also?
First I went to Ramakrishna Math, sir. There I passed 2 levels. Then I went to the Shastri Setu. I passed the Shastri Setu exam.
Okay.
Then I came to Vyoma last.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha. You want to recite now? Anadaraf paribhavaha. You want to recite this portion? Read this portion. Sorry, recite means read. Anadaraf paribhavaha. From here, bhayam. Sorry, vikaro manaso bhavo.
Vikaro manaso bhavanubhavo bhavabodhakaha garvo bhimano hankaro manaschittasamunnatihi darpo valonko vrishabhaschitrodrekah smayomadaha anadara paribhavaha paribhavaktirasтрikya reeda vamana. I am not able to see properly, sir. I am not having the specs now presently.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you very much. You can mute yourself. Now, Chityananda Swami Mahodaya. Can you unmute yourself, Chityananda Mahodaya? Chityananda Mahodaya, can you unmute yourself, please? Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Okay. Andrew Hillen. Andrew Mahodaya.
Yes, let's see.
Is it? Can I? Can
you hear
you
me now?
share your? Yeah. Can I make you a panelist so that you can share your webcam? Is it possible?
Yeah,
today?
I'm not sure how to do that. How do I? Yeah.
Okay, I will make a. I will send you a request.
Okay, I should have a web. Okay. No. Okay.
Just see if you are getting the request.
Yeah, there it is.
Okay.
Namaskar,
so, Namaskaram. You can tell about yourself. How long is your Sanskrit journey? What are you learning? I know something about you through the mail interactions, but others also can know about you. That is the intention.
Yeah, so I I first went to I'm from Australia, currently living in California though. So I went to India first in 2001 to study Ashtanga Yoga in Mysore, and then I became interested in the philosophy, yoga philosophy, Sanskrit, those things. So I started studying then, but really I was just doing a lot of chanting. Recently, I was studying Sanskrit from books and had a few lessons here and there, but now I've just started to take that Sanskrit study more seriously. So I have studying from Suresh Nanjangood in Bangalore via internet now. Thanks to you, Mahodaya. So, and I've been learning Vedic chanting for about 10 years with a teacher in Mysore. I do that in the morning before these classes. Actually, I do that at 4 a.m. here with my teacher in Mysore. And then I also had been studying a lot with Nagaraja Rao, Professor Nagaraja Rao, philosophy in Mysore when I'm there. I just spoke to him actually a little earlier, so he's been a great inspiration for me. And we've studied Mahanarayana Upanishad and Bhagavad Gita, Yoga Sutras, Yoga Taravali, things like that, Aruna Prashna Upanishad, meanings. Yeah.
So where are you located now?
I'm in nearby to San Diego.
San Diego, okay.
Which is just south of LA.
Okay, south of LA. Okay. Dhanyawada. So thank you for your presence in the classes and your participation and your encouragement to Vyoma's activities. Can you read this Anadara Paribhava? From there, can you read about 3 lines? 3-4 lines.
Anadara Paribhava Paribhavastira Skriha Pridavamanana Vajnavahenan Namasurkshanam Mandaksham Hristripa Stripa Mandaksham Hristripa. Oh, it's moving, that's all. I keep losing.
Okay.
Mandaksham Hristripa Vrida Lajjasa Patrapanyataha Kshantisti Tiksha Vidya Tu Parasya Vishaye Spraha Akshanti Suya. Okay, thank you, sir. And thank you very much for everything you're doing. I'm very much enjoying all these classes. It's a great thing that we're
thank
able
you. Nice. Yeah, it is all God's grace that we are able to do this. So we should thank Him. Thank you for your participation, and thank you for being an inspiration to people in India also. That you are also learning philosophy, yoga, Ashtanga yoga, and other things deeply. So that would inspire at least some of our Indians also that this Vidya has got something and they all study this. Okay, we will end the class here today because we have other classes, which is Varkhedi sir's class we have. So other questions and all I will take tomorrow. We will end the class here today. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। धन्यवादाः। राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः राम राम।